Hello friends, today you are taking care of our cute cat. First, we brush the cat's hour gently. Look, some dirt and dust is coming off. Wow, our cat is looking happy and oh, look, a little mouse is running in the room. Don't worry, our clever cat will help. Carefully, the cat guides the mouse into the glass. Yeah, the mouse is safe and we did it together. Now, look at the cat three little baby. They are playing and hiding around. Oops, they are missing. Let's find them one by one. Yeah, good job, little baby. Oh no, the cat is playing with some string. Oops, it got a little tangled. Don't worry, let's carefully untangle. There we go. All safe and happy again. Our cat had so much fun today. Thanks for helping and playing along.